Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new Capcut project and importing the footage you want to treat as HDR. Make sure your source is high dynamic range or a flat log file. Otherwise, results will be limited. Once imported, set the timeline or project settings to the highest color depth available, 10-bit or HDR profile if present, and add a reference clip that shows the desired brightness and color. This prepares Capcut to retain highlight detail and gives you a baseline for subsequent HDR adjustments. Now you apply the HDR look using Capcut's color or adjust tools. Increase highlights to recover bright detail and gently lift shadow levels so dark areas reveal texture. Tweak exposure and contrast to balance dynamic range. Next, apply a log-to-video or HDR LUT and reduce its intensity until it looks natural. This is tone mapping. Once the overall range is set, use saturation and color wheels to bolster color without clipping. If needed, create a mask to protect skin tones and preserve realism. Finish by exporting using HDR-capable settings. Choose a 10-bit codec and enable HDR metadata if Capcut offers it, then export a short test clip. You must preview on an HDR display or monitor to verify highlight and shadow detail. Make small iterative tweaks if something looks off. If highlights are clipping or colors look oversaturated, reduce overall exposure, pull down the highlight slider, or dial back the LUT strength. These quick fixes prevent crushed blacks and blown highlights, preserving the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.